Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert and link an Excel sheet directly into your PowerPoint presentation. This is perfect for keeping your slides dynamic and your data always up to date. First, open PowerPoint and make sure the presentation you want to work on is ready. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Here you'll find the Object option. This is what we'll use to embed the Excel file. Click on it. A window will pop up with a couple of choices. Select Create from File, then click Browse. Locate your Excel file in the File Explorer, select it, and click Open. Before hitting OK, you can choose Display as Icon. This keeps your slide clean by showing the Excel file as a small icon rather than embedding the full sheet directly on the slide. Finally, click OK, and your Excel file will be inserted into the slide as an object, either as an icon or embedded data, depending on your choice. The best part? Whenever your Excel file is updated, you can refresh your presentation to reflect the changes automatically. This ensures your data is always accurate and saves you time. And that's it. You've successfully linked an Excel sheet in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorial videos.